In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell loops on Sellfy. If you're a music producer looking to expand your reach and monetize your creations, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through the process step by step, making it easy for you to get started with your online store and start selling your digital music loops. First, let's get your Sellfy account and store set up. If you haven't done so already, head over to Sellfy's website and sign up for an account. They often offer a free trial period, which is perfect for getting started without any initial investment. After signing up, remember to verify your email address. This step is crucial as it unlocks all the features you'll need to effectively manage and run your store. Once your account is verified, it's time to customize your store. Dive into the Store Customizer feature to select a theme that best represents your brand. Add your logo and choose colors that reflect your music production style. Personalizing your storefront not only makes it visually appealing, but also helps establish your unique brand identity. With your store ready, let's shift focus to your loops, the core of your business. Organizing these digital products efficiently is key. Package your loops into kits or packs based on genre, key, or tempo. This organization not only makes navigation easy for customers, but also highlights the versatility and scope of your offerings. Don't forget to give clear and intuitive file names to avoid any confusion later. Moving on to uploading your product. Log into your Sellfy dashboard and find the Products section. You'll want to select Digital Products and then click on Add New Product. This is where you'll upload your zip file containing your loops. One of the great advantages of Sellfy is their unlimited storage and bandwidth, so you don't need to worry about file sizes or running out of space. Next, it's time to think about the details. Determine a fair and competitive price for your loop pack. Consider the quality, uniqueness, and demand as you set your pricing. Enhance your product listing with eye-catching cover art or product images. Visuals that resonate with your target audience, like images of a music producer in action, can attract more interest. A comprehensive and engaging product description is essential. Detail what your loop pack includes: the number of loops, file formats, and additional details like key and BPM. Explain the genre and potential uses to help potential customers understand how your loops can add value to their projects. Finally, once everything is in place, hit the Save Product button. This action lists your new product in your store and makes it available for purchase. With these steps, you're well on your way to selling your loops successfully on Sellfy. Best of luck and happy selling!